In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CapCut AutoCut on PC. If you need to turn a raw folder of spreadsheet screen recordings into a polished, music-synced highlight reel. Without doing manual edits yourself, this is one of the fastest ways to get it done. CapCut's AutoCut feature is designed to analyze your footage, choose key moments, and build a clean sequence automatically, which makes it especially useful when you want speed and consistency. To begin, make sure you're back on CapCut's main homepage dashboard. If you already have any project open, close it first so you can clearly see the main launcher area. On that homepage, look across the main menu row where the New Project option appears. In that same section, you'll find a large AutoCut tile. Click that tile once to open the AutoCut workspace. This is the area where CapCut's AI editing engine takes over and starts preparing to analyze your footage. Next, it's time to bring in your raw recordings. Inside the AutoCut import area, click the large plus button. This will open your computer's file browser. From there, navigate to the folder where your spreadsheet screen recordings are stored. Select all the clips you want included in the final highlight reel, then click Open. CapCut will import the files right away and stage them for processing. At this point, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that you selected the correct clips before moving on, especially if you're working with several recordings from the same project. Once your clips are loaded, you can let the AI handle the editing. You'll see a grid of motion templates with different visual styles and pacing. Take a moment to browse through them and choose one that fits the professional and snappy tone of your spreadsheet tutorial. The template you pick will influence how the final video feels, so choose the one that best matches your content. After selecting your preferred layout, move down and click the blue Generate button. CapCut will begin processing your footage, and you'll see a progress ring appear in the center of the screen. During this stage, the AutoCut engine automatically trims the clips, arranges the sequence, and syncs everything to the background music. This is where the tool saves the most time because the editing decisions are being made for you in just a few moments. When processing finishes, click the play button in the preview monitor to watch the result. Your tutorial highlight reel should now be fully assembled and synced automatically. And that's it. You've launched AutoCut from the homepage, imported your footage, selected a template, and generated an AI-edited video in just a few quick moves. You're all set.